In this video, I'm going to show you how to make stir-fry noodles with vegetables and tofu. Really easy and quick. Today I'm making stir-fry noodles with vegetables and tofu. Firstly, I've got a block of tofu here, which I'm going to cut in small pieces. Okay, I'm going to heat up some oil, not too much. I just want to shallow fry the tofu. Okay, the oil is warmed up a little bit. I'm going to start putting the tofu pieces in there. I just want the tofu to just turn a little bit light brown in color. As it starts browning on one side, just turn it over on the other side. As the tofu starts browning on both the sides, you just want it lightly browned, just start taking the tofu out. I'm going to marinate this tofu with a little bit of soy sauce. I'll put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce in here, and about 2 tablespoons of hot chili sauce. Just going to give it a mix and just let it sit for about 10 minutes or so. I'm going to use this chili oil, but you can use whichever oil you prefer. I'm just going to put about a spoon of the oil in here. I'm going to use these ready cooked noodles to make this dish, and you can use any noodles, any brands that you like. I'm actually going to be using the same vessel, the oil that's left over, to do all the stir frying. I've got some mushrooms here, some green cabbage, carrots, bean sprouts, and some onions. You can use whichever vegetables you like. To this, I'm going to add some ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to add some soy sauce. Some hot chili sauce. Give it a good stir. I'm going to add the noodles in. Finally, I'll add all the tofu in here. Just give it a good mix. To this I'm going to add about a spoonful of chili flakes. Okay, and the stir fry is ready. I'm going to now turn off the flame.